Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to copy contacts between sub-accounts in GoHighLevel. Now for this, you will need a GoHighLevel account, so you can get one with our link down below and you can get a 30-day free trial along with it. So yeah, let's get started. So basically, first thing that you want to do is you want to log in into your GoHighLevel. You want to go here to your agency dashboard and go to the settings. Now from settings, you want to go to LC Premium Triggers. Now LC Premium Triggers is a feature that is a premium feature. You want to enable it for all of the sub accounts that you're going to do this for. Now as you can see right here, it is a paid service charged at $0.01 per execution. So just so you know, you will need to pay this on top of what you're already paying for GoHighLevel. It's a really cool feature. So just go and enable this, and let's go back here and let me show you how you can use this. So we need to switch obviously to a sub account. We're going to copy contacts from this sub account to this one. So if you click this one here, we can go here and we can go to automation. From automation, what we can do is we can create a workflow, and from workflow we can start from scratch. So once we start from scratch here, as you can see, we will need to use workflows for this. So we can add a first action here, and this can be this action right here, copy contact. So as you can see, what we can do here is we have an action name. We can select an account. As you can see, it's only one account displayed because we're actually copying from one account to another, which is from basically the gym account to real estate account. So we can click here and we can copy the tags and copy custom fields as well for that contact. So we can click save action. Now, as you can see, this is a trigger, but obviously we need to add a workflow trigger. So what will trigger for this workflow to copy contact from this particular sub account to another sub account? So again, you can choose this for yourself. It can be pretty much a lot of different things. Let's say opportunity created. Once the opportunity is created, then that contact is being copied to another sub account. You can do that. You can do different types of triggers here and different types of workflows. But this is one way how you can go and how you can copy contacts between sub accounts in GoHighLevel. Obviously, if you want a more in-depth video on this, we can create another video. And again, if you want a 30-day free trial with your new GoHighLevel account, you can check out all the links down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching.